Jeeve, krijgt een nee. Lesson 9. I figured you're probably getting tired of looking at me. So here we are, lesson 9, kind of completing the set of verb forms from ta for now. This is the future tense of ta, which is be me, be tu, be she, be she, be midge, again a combined form for we, be shiv, be shied. Negative for the future tense is nive, and so forth. And the question is anme. So very similar to some of the other ones. Ta, really be, is an irregular verb, so all of these past, present, and future forms are quite different, but the question word and the negative particle, those pieces, stay the same. So that's the set. So you got to study that. And then they also give you some other time things, days of the week. This is a particular day, J Downing, which would be Sunday. Like I'm talking about this coming Sunday. So Fekimehu J Downing. I'll see you on Sunday. J Lewin, J Mart, J Kadien, Geraldine, J Hina, J Saturn. Okay, Amarach, Anacht, Galua, soon. It's an adverb of time. Erbal, eventually, by and by. Anvlien shahuing, or hugging if you like. On Chaktan shahuing, we know already many times. Everybody says this stuff. So, and then they give you a lot of review in this chapter. So you get your past, present, and future with ta. So practice, practice, practice.